Actor Tanisha Chatterjee from Dek Indian Circus. Special mention, Tanisha Chatterjee ko certificate.
For the portrayal of a village housewife who fights for her dignity and honor in the face of extreme adversities.
Actor Pariniti Chopra for Ishaqzade. Special mention, a certificate.
For her convincing performance as a daredevil girl in a moving drama of love and tragedy.
Special mention for actor Lal for the film Ozimuri, a certificate.
A powerful portrayal of a highly surcharged role transcending different age groups.
Special mention for actor H.D. Dattatray for the film Bharat Stores, a certificate.
For his effortless and natural performance of a small-time grocery retailer in the Kannada film Bharat Stores.
Special mention for actor Bishnu Khargoria for Assamese film Bandhon, a certificate.
For emoting the life and the moods of an old man caught in the vertex of tragedies of life.
Special mention for child artist Hansraj Jagtap for Marathi film Dhag, a certificate to Hansraj.
For his realistic portrayal of an impressionable yet responsible poor boy living in a crematorium and his coming of age.
Best English film, Lessons in Forgetting. Producer Arowana Studios Limited. Award received by Prince Thampi. Inhe Rajat Kamal. और अब डायरेक्टर उन्नी विजयन को भी रजत कमल.
A sleek and well-crafted film on the investigative spirit of a young girl.
Best film in missing language, a northeastern dialect. Koyard. Producer Ars Productions Private Limited, Manju Barua, who's also the director, I beg your pardon, she will receive 2 Rajat Kamals.
A stark and realistic film with a strong subtext about a driftwood collector which makes compelling viewing.
This is her 5th National Award, ladies and gentlemen, Manju Barua. Best Urdu film, Harud. Producer Chasing Tales Production, Shankar Raman, Inhe Rajat Kamal. Director Amir Bashir, Inhe bhi Rajat Kamal.
The ruination brought about by the militant insurgency in Jammu and Kashmir and its repercussion on the social fabric of the state.
Best Telugu film, Iga. Producer Varahi Chalana Chitram. Award received by K. Raghunath Sai. Inhe Rajat Kamal.
The filmmaker has broken new grounds in concept and execution with extraordinary fusion of technology and cinematographic narrative. Best Tamil film, Varakki N 18/9. Producer Tripathi Brothers Films, Media Private Limited. Producer N. Subhash Chandra Bose, Inhe Rajat Kamal. और अब डायरेक्टर बालाजी शक्तिवेल, इन्हें भी रजत कमल.
A love story unfolding to a horrific tragedy and the ugly face of an unforgiving system that comes through strongly in this well-narrated film. Best Punjabi film, Nabar. Producer Hands On Production. Award received by Jasbir Singh. Inhe Rajat Kamal. और अब डायरेक्टर राजीव शर्मा, इन्हें भी रजत कमल.
This film lucidly presents the often misplaced craze for the West, prevalent amongst the upwardly mobile Punjabi youth.
Best Manipuri film, Le Pakle. Producer Doordarshan Kendra Impal. Award received by A.K. Khogendra Singh.
A simple story told in a straightforward manner, highlighting social reality.
Best Marathi film, Investment. Pehle manch pe producer Pratibha Matkari. Inhe Rajat Kamal. और अब डायरेक्टर रत्नाकर मटकरी.
This bold film portrays the devastating effects of instilling wrong values among children.
Best Malayalam film, Celluloid. Producer Primetime Cinema. Award received by Obed. Inhe Rajat Kamal. और अब डायरेक्टर कमाल, इन्हें भी रजत कमल.
The trials and tribulation of the passionate filmmaker and father of Malayalam cinema, J.C. Daniel are poignantly depicted in this biopic.
Best Kannada film, Bharat Stores, producer Basant Productions, award received by Basant Kumar Patil. Inhe Rajat Kamal. Director P. Shishadri, Inhe Bhi Rajat Kamal.
A highly emotive issue of FDI in retail gets its cinematic expressions in this simple yet powerful film.
Best Hindi film, Filmistan, producer Satellite Picture Private Limited, award received by Naila Nilesh Tanna. Inhe Rajat Kamal. Director Nitin Kakkar, Inhe Bhi Rajat Kamal.
A gripping tale of a Mumbai film buff who gets unwittingly involved in a cross-border misadventure only to realize how divided hearts can be brought together through cinema.
Best Gujarati film, The Good Road, producer National Film Development Corporation, award received by Sahab Narayan. और अब director Gyan Kore.
This film effectively captures the flavor of the never-ending highways of the other India and its hidden facets.
Best Bengali film, Shabdo, producer Brand Value Communication Limited, award received by Gautam Kundu. और अब director Kaushik Ganguly, इन्हें भी रजत कमल.
A brilliantly conceived offbeat film on the obsession with ambient sound and its devastating effects on the life of a Foley artist in a unique and a cinematic experience.
Best Assamese film, Bandhon, producer Assam State Film Finance and Development Corporation Limited, award received by Bobita Sharma, Inhe Rajat Kamal. And now director Janu Barua. Ladies and gentlemen, this is his 11th national award.
That's fantastic. The lives of a nitpicking yet loving old couple and their inability to come to terms with the tragic loss of their only grandson.
Best choreography, Tamil film Vishwarupam के लिए पंडित बिरजू महाराज को रजत कमल.
Artistically pleasing choreography maintaining the purity of the Kathak form by this veteran has added an extra dimension to the characterization of the lead actor.
Best special effects, Best Special Effects, Telugu film Eega के लिए Makuta VFX, award received by Peter Draper. Rajat Kamal.
State-of-the-art technology of computer graphics and digital imaging takes center stage in this extreme entertainer.
This year, the special jury award goes to two film personalities. First, Bengali film Chitrangada के लिए Rituparno Ghosh को Rajat Kamal.
For his versatility and excellent grasp of the medium of cinema.
The second special jury award goes to Nawazuddin Siddiqui for his excellent performance in 4 Hindi films. Kahani, Gangs of Wasipur, Bake Indian Circus and Talash.
Obviously very The award for the best audiography, location sound recordist Malayalam film Annayum Rasulum goes to Radhakrishna S. Inhe Rajat Kamal.
The technology of sync sound is effectively employed in this film with semi-urban setting. Best audiography, sound designer, Bengali film Shabdo के लिए Anirban Sen Gupta और Dipankar Chakki, दोनों को रजत कमल. पहले मंच पे Anirban Sen Gupta और अब दीपांकर चक्की.
A deft handling of sound technology and its ramifications have contributed to make this film an unforgettable experience.
Best Autography, re-recorders of the final mixed track. Hindi film Gangs of Wasipur ke liye Alok De.
For a film done in the milieu of natural locations, the final mixing of multitude tracks has added tremendous cinematic value.
Shrijesh Nair and Shenoy Joseph. इन तीनों को रजत कमल. बेस्ट एडिटिंग हिंदी फिल्म कहानी के लिए नम्रता राव को रजत कमल.
Imaginative editing has enhanced the rhythm and flow of this highly watchable thriller.
बेस्ट स्क्रीन प्ले ओरिजिनल हिंदी फिल्म कहानी के लिए सुजॉय घोष को रजत कमल.
A well-structured screenplay that formed the heart of an edge-of-the-seat suspense film.
बेस्ट स्क्रीन प्ले अडेप्टेड हिंदी फिल्म ओ माय गॉड के लिए भावेश मंडालिया तथा उमेश शुक्ला. पहले मंच पे भावेश मंडालिया और अब उमेश शुक्ला.
A carefully crafted screenplay dealing with a social satire with shades of Oriental philosophy.
बेस्ट डायलॉग मलयालम फिल्म उस्ताद होटल के लिए अंजलि मेनन को रजत कमल.
Easy-flowing yet down-to-earth dialogues complement the well-mounted entertainer with a social message.
बेस्ट सिनेमाटोग्राफी अ फिल्म इन मिसिंग लैंग्वेज कोयार के लिए सिनेमाटोग्राफर सुधीर पलन सिंह, इन्हें रजत कमल. और प्रोसेसिंग लेबोरेटरी प्रसाद फिल्म लेबोरेटरी चेन्नई. अवार्ड इज एक्सेप्टेड बाय शिवरामन, इन्हें भी रजत कमल.
The unexplored charm of Northeast India through different seasons has made all the more attractive to the eyes of the cinematographer.